So we got some bubbles. Basically what we have here is a giant still, and when you first start up with syrup that's got some fermentation, there's alcohol in there. So for you distillers, we are actually distilling off initially a little bit of alcohol. It's the whole idea of this project is we are trying so our raw sap's coming in at 140 degrees, and that's climbing because I opened this. So that usually pins out at about 212, 210, which gives us a nice boil. So, had a couple pinhole leaks in my evaporator. Had Sonny and Andy come down and weld that, and you can see I had some pinholes there where it was leaking. Eventually the sugar just burns up and becomes a plug. So we got a nice rumble going. So what'll happen is we evaporate so much faster in this back flue pan that the stuff up front, Kevin set up here to pump what's in the front pans. We're gonna push it right into the back. So we're filling pretty fast up there. Our tank's at 67%, 68. See how things look out here. This is just like a Frankenstein show. So we still got some circulating going on. And putting some permeate in this tank for the next batch, which will be B. So yeah, we're rocking and rolling here this morning. Always a later start than you expect. It's just the way it is. Filled the evaporator. Hey Phil, you want to kind of keep your eye on that flue pan back there for them? Just kind of watch that flue pan. Yep. So here we are, boiling with leaves on the trees. See if we have some steam coming. Oh yeah, got some steam rising. My stacks are pretty low. They kept them short because there's an upper roof that's taller, and they did not want the wind coming over that roof. There you got steam rising. Beautiful day. We're going to try to get as much done today as possible.